The Department of Chemistry Laboratory Safety Video. This video contains the basic information that you need while working in the laboratory. Please pay attention. Safety infrastructure. The basic infrastructure can be found on the right-hand side and on the left-hand side of the laboratory. It contains basic equipment such as safety shower, eye wash station, and the fire extinguisher. Personal protective equipment. While working in the lab, you need to adhere to 3 basic principles. First, please button up your lab coat and make sure do not roll your sleeve. Second, please wear a proper shoes, otherwise you'll be chased out of the lab. And third, always wear your safety glasses while working in the lab. Hazard Scenario 1, Eye Protection. This scene is showing 2 common mistakes students do. Number 1, opening the sash too wide, and number 2 is to put your safety glasses on top of your head. While you might think it is safe, accidental spillage may occur and chemicals may enter you or your friend's eyes. If it did happen, please help and guide your friend to the nearest eye wash station. Do keep calm and walk promptly. While washing the eyes, make sure to wash it for at least 15 minutes while keeping your eyes open. In reality, there is a tendency that you will close your eyes shut due to the pain of chemical burn. Opening the eyes will then be difficult as illustrated here. In many cases, using more than 1 fingers are still inadequate to keep your friend's eyes open. Therefore, as the partner, please help to keep your friend's eyes open. A proper way is to use the base of your palm and stretch them on opposite directions. Hazard Scenario 2, Body Protection. In case if there is a spillage to your body, quickly remove your lab coats and rush to the nearest emergency shower. Your partner should report to the lecturer in charge or the lab assistant. Stay under the shower for at least 15 minutes. Using gloves during laboratory exercise. While it is generally safe using gloves, however, do remember that your hands can be sweaty. As such, it is difficult to differentiate between a chemical underneath your gloves or a sweaty hands. Do practice caution while using gloves in the laboratory. How to deal with fire as a student. Please be aware that your responsibility is to evacuate in case if there's any fire. However, a common fire source is during filtration of your solvents. In that case, quickly put a watch glass on top of your funnel to extinguish the fire. By any means, do not use water to try and extinguish the fire. A mixture of water and some chemicals might actually cause worse hazard as illustrated here. Waste management. Waste bottles are available in all labs. Read labels and choose the corresponding category based on your waste. Unscrew the waste bottle and carefully pour the reagents into the waste bottle. Once finished, please put the cap back and do not forget to pull down the sash. Other laboratory hazards, broken glassware. If you receive any broken glassware like this, avoid using them. Please report to the laboratory assistant to acquire a new set of glassware. Using damaged glassware for heating. If you receive any glassware with crack at the bottom, as shown in this image, please try and avoid using them. In case if you accidentally use it, this will happen.
A few moments later.
The glassware might implode or explode and may cause more damage to you or your friends. Sharp damaged glassware. A common glassware that you will receive is the separatory funnel. Please make sure the end of the funnel is not sharp as shown in this video. The sharpness of this glassware can actually tear a piece of paper, much less your own skin. Therefore, avoid using them and ask the lab assistant for a new set of glassware. Thank you for your attention, and we hope to see you soon once the COVID is over.